Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to another video on Pepe. We're back at it again because yesterday with the bullish momentum pouring into the markets, Pepe actually rallied massively and now, in hindsight we can also see the market structure. And we talked about this briefly as well. What I said yesterday is that, also in the live stream I believe, is that I thought we would be able to get up towards 16,500. Pepe always is quite bullish in the Thursday to Friday area of the week towards the weekend, sometimes also on Saturday, which I hope for now. But yeah, so that brought us back up to this top right here at around 18,000 and 17,500, which we've actually technically broken above. So that's amazing. So in this video we will talk about what's next, the market structure, everything you should know. The weekend for Pepe, because Saturday usually is a little bit more of a bearish day. Will we actually get a bearish Pepe again then? Or can we actually sustain this bullish momentum? So that's what we'll talk about. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, as you can also see from the top right there, I'm a full-time trader. So if you want to actually become a better trader, more profitable trader, while also getting some trade setups, check out those links. But for now, on to Pepe. So first of all, congratulations, Pepe community. I did not expect such a big move. I even said yesterday, and I fully own up to that, that I thought it was more likely that, even though I did expect bullish momentum on the short term, I thought it would be more likely at some point of time to break down below 14,500. Didn't do that, luckily for all of you, and I've said this countless times, but I wish the best upon the Pepe community. Right now, hidden level of volume is around 300 million, which is amazing. I mean, if you take a look at that for the last month, it's not the highest, but it's definitely up there. And one of the main reasons why Pepe could actually rally like this, where other cryptos perhaps rallied a little bit less, even though Pepe is one of the top 6-7 gainers, I believe. Well, top 8. But one of the reasons why that is because we have already reached these areas, right? So. For other cryptos, there are a lot of sell limits there, people who are selling here. For Pepe, there aren't, because the real price target is 20,000. So if you actually also take a look at the structure right now, what you'll see is that we had some sort of an impulse wave structure right here, followed by a quick correction down to this level right here, down to the 200 EMA. And then from there, you could argue that right now we had our third wave. Like we had that first 1-2 right here, almost got back to the bottom, which usually happens, then a big third wave. And now the big question is we are correcting a bit in the fourth wave. Can we get that fifth wave finally up to 20,000? We already tried to do that once with that fifth wave right here. Can we actually do that now? And that's a difficult question to ask, because it depends a lot on how we react. I would say off of this level right here. So the level between 17,000 and 16,500. So that's this level. There are a couple of Fibonacci levels there, but apart from that, it's also just a normal key level. Like you have a lot of support there. So we are going to be dropping down there. And then from there, what we would need to do to actually fulfill that wave, to actually get up towards to 20,000, I think, is that from there we need to break above 17,600. 17,600. That's the level to break. So just to do a quick recap, we're going to drop down here. We're going to find support. From that support, we need to get above 17,600, break above that, find support. Then we'll get up towards that 20,000 and 20,500 level, and that's our fifth wave. And then from there, we'll see again. Now the big question is whether we can get that bullish breakout. And personally, I'm not sure, because at this point of time, what you could also say about Pepe is, and that wouldn't be wrong, is that we are in a consolidation like this. You could say this. I mean, look at this. It looks beautiful. So we could have also just hit the top right here, and that will be dropping down towards 14,500 and 15,000 now. And the main way in which we can see which one of the two scenarios it is how we react to this support level between 17,000 and 16,500. If from there we find support, which I do expect, but we do not break above 17,600, then it's more likely we'll drop down to 15,000. And at this point of time, I think that's a bit more likely, due to I expect some more bearish momentum from Bitcoin, XRP looks like it's cooling down. And like I said, usually the Saturday is a little bit more bearish for Pepe. So that's what I think, and why I think that. There's still huge bullish potential, right, for Pepe. So definitely don't get too worried about it. But this is my full analysis and my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.